I have cleft lip and palate, and I needed restorative work done for my teeth, so I came and got implants and bridges by Dr. Sumar. Yeah. So a cleft lip and palate is basically a malformation. I have a unilateral right cleft lip and palate, so the roof of your mouth doesn't connect, and it alters your teeth structure. Some aren't even born with teeth, so I was born with teeth, but it ended up being really crooked. So there's like different classifications, so I think it ranges from 1 to 4, and mine was class 3, so mine was pretty severe. Some can only have like 2 procedures, while I've had 27. So yeah, it was pretty severe. My cleft lip and palate affected my speech, how I ate. I wasn't able to eat because my jaw was so out of place. It affected my mental health, so my self-esteem was very low because of the bullying. It's just how God made me, and it's okay. It taught me how to be more kind and more patient, I guess, with people, because you don't really know what they're going through. So yeah, so the prosthetics procedures that I have right now is like implants here and then bridge here. I got my bridge and my implants last week, so I thought it was going to be scary. It's not really. They're great. They work good. I like them a lot, as you can tell. But yeah, they're pretty functional. They look good. They feel good. It took some getting used to, but other than that, I'm glad I got it. One of my friends was really excited. I hadn't seen her in years, and then the first time I saw her, I actually had teeth, so that was a cool experience. Yeah, they just keep telling me to smile, and so it's been fun to show off. Here at Vivid, they don't make you feel bad about your what state your teeth are in. They don't really judge, and that's like a part of it. The staff here are really friendly. I live out of town, so it's a good drive, but it's worth it. That was pretty cool. So thank you.
Cool.
That's about it. Yeah, okay.